Hey guys, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. I'm gonna do some holiday-esque baking, which is kind of funny because it's like the mid 60s right now. Anyways, so I got this recipe out of the little the dish little magazine that you get at Lidl, if you've ever been to a Lidl. Typically we go to Aldi because, you know, a bitch on a budget. But sometimes I like to cheat because, you know, my side piece does that thing I like. For real though, Lidl has like really good spices. Anyways, but yeah, so they had this recipe for Earl Grey tea cake. And I love Earl Grey, and you know I love cake, so seemed like a great idea. And thanks to our friend Alicia, I have a bundt pan. I'm a little bit confused on it because it seems to be some sort of plastic something. So this could all go like horribly awry and, you know, end up with a melted pan in the oven. Either way, I'll film it, so entertainment, I guess. I have 2 bags of Earl Grey tea, steeping in a cup of hot milk. Delectable. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to beat together sugar and butter, kind of like a cookie, but we're making cake, okay? Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm going to, let's make some cake. This looks fantastic. I am genuinely very excited. I need a fork. Oh, this is good. I don't even have my microphone on. You guys have to try this. Hell yeah, Lidl. It's so good. You know, like the flavors of the Earl Grey, like the bergamot and the like the orange peel, the zest. Oh, the orange zest. Oh, it's so good. I definitely recommend. I don't know what you're talking about. I didn't eat any cake. Yeah, if you oh, that'd be so good with tea. If you have anybody, or if you like, I was gonna say, if you like cake, if you like Earl Grey, definitely make this cake. If you like Earl Grey and cake, I mean, obviously, if you don't like cake, then don't make cake. Sorry about your life. But if you love Earl Grey, it's not overpowered, It's a very subtle Earl Grey-y miss, but it's very good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take some of this to my mom. Anyways, hope you guys are doing well. I'm gonna go and see my family this weekend. I'm in a much better mood than I was last week. But you know, that's life. Ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs and ups and downs. That's life, okay? But yeah. That's it for me. I gotta run. I'm procrastinating. I gotta go. I got stuff to do. Okay? But yeah. I'll see you next Tuesday. Okay, no, I want to eat more of this.